What's going on, all you e-commerce, Amazon businesses? Today I wanted to talk to you about using business credit to fund the marketing, to fund the purchasing, and to fund the entire e-commerce business. So that's today's video. Let's jump right into it. All right, so we have a lot of clients, a ton of clients that come to us that buy a mentoring program with a company that teaches them how to set up an automation or an Amazon automated business. They call it Amazon automation. I don't know if you've heard of that yet, but that's a pretty big wave that's been going on for a while now. People are selling products on Amazon and on other platforms as well, retargeting people on Facebook, spending thousands of dollars in marketing ad spend every single month on Facebook to retarget the people that went to Amazon or went to the direct store, so that you can then hit them with ads on Facebook. And why is this such a big deal? Why is using business credit such a big deal for this? Well, for one, you get rewards points, right? So business credit has a ton of benefits to it. For one, it doesn't show up on your personal credit report. So your personal scores will stay nice and high because let's say you're spending $50,000 a month on Facebook ads to retarget and to sell whatever it is that you sell on Amazon. That's going to cost you a lot of money, and you're going to need to come out of pocket with that, or you're going to need to use your personal credit if that's all you got. The problem with that is if you're spending thousands a month in inventory, payroll, marketing, all the different expenses that go into owning a business and running a business, you're going to be putting all that debt on your personal credit report. And you don't really want to do that. You want to use business credit because it doesn't show up on your personal credit report. So let's just say purse scores stay nice and high. So we want to stay with a 750 or better on our personal credit while we're growing our business, while we're spending the money on marketing, whatever it is that we're doing. Our personal scores should not be affected by what we spend on our business. Now, with Fund&Grow, we have hundreds of thousands of dollars in business credit. None of it reports to either of our personal credit reports. None of the owners of the company are seeing their personal scores fluctuating each month. We spend $100,000 this month, the scores go down. Next month you pay it off, the scores go back up. That's only with personal credit. That doesn't happen with business credit because it doesn't show up on your personal credit report. It's a huge benefit, one of the biggest ones. So if you're a real estate investor, business owner of any kind, Amazon, whatever it is, this fact right here that it does not show up, the business credit does not show up on your personal report, is huge. The next big thing that I want to talk about are rewards points. Rewards points. Ari, the CEO of Fund&Grow, he flew to Barcelona, Spain. He took his whole family. They flew first class. It was like a $30,000 trip. Completely free. Not a joke. Why? Because, for one, we use business credit. That doesn't show up on our personal credit report. And the other reason is the rewards points. The rewards points are ridiculous. If you're not, there's tons of people online that are teaching other people how to use credit cards to make money in their business. Just to make money off of the rewards points that you're getting. People are doing just that. Now imagine you actually having the funding on hand to be able to invest in your business, to buy inventory, to spend it on marketing, to pay your affiliates that are promoting your product or your service. Imagine getting rewards points back tenfold that way. Now you're talking a few $1,000s every month or so you're getting back in cash back. And then travel, all the different ways you can use the rewards points. Personally, I'm all about the cash back. I use them for travel sometimes, but it's easier for me to use them just straight cash back, and then I go and I book whatever I'm booking. If I'm going to Vegas, if I'm going to Miami, whatever it is that I'm doing, I prefer to just book it outright myself and take the cash back directly into my account, and it's easy to claim them. It's not a difficult process. It's not worth it. right? The rewards points are worth it. So if you're spending money on every month in your business, if you have an Amazon business and you're spending money on Facebook to retarget that amazing home art decor that you're selling, you know, like I get hit with ads all the time for different products, from clothing to art for the house to like pool table stuff to car stuff for my Hellcat, all different types of things. I'm always getting hit with those ads and I love it. It's helpful. It allows me to make my purchase much more easily when it's popping up on Facebook. So if you think that's annoying, this video might not be for you, because supporting your paid ad budget with business credit, allowing you to put your product in front of the right people's face, is not annoying at all. That's beautiful. It's 2020, and I'm not gonna lie, I like when I go through Facebook and I see ads for things that pertain to me that I just searched, or that I didn't even search yet, I just talked about with my friends. And for example, cell phone skins. I was wondering if you can get just a skin for the back part of the iPhone, not a whole case, because I wanted it to be less bulky. I wanted to be able to just put like a sticker on the back to protect the glass, just like the front, you can put the sticker on the front to protect the glass. I didn't even search it yet, and the next day I was getting ads for those types of cell phone skins. And I think that's a little creepy that they can like listen in and then serve you ads based on that. Let me know if you think that's creepy. Give me a like, smash the like button, give us a subscribe. But the point is, the rewards points, that's the point. You can make so much money every year in cash back, every year in free travel. You're able to go places, go to the events that you go to, and you know, those types of things are not the type of thing you should overlook in your business. If you're planning on growing your business and getting to the next level, let's say you're doing $20,000-$30,000 a month. I had a client I interviewed, he told me he was doing that too. And then he got access to $100,000 in business credit. He started spending $40,000 a month in his marketing budget on pay-per-click. He grew his business to now it's a $4 million a year business. They're doing about $400,000 a month, sometimes more than that. And that's because he went through our program, he got access to business credit, and then he was able to spend more money on marketing, and he's getting the rewards points, he's cashing those out. So if you're an Amazon business and you're looking for funding for your business, Google it, look into what we do, look at our webinar, there's a link in the description, and it tells you everything you need to know to get access to this type of funding so that you can grow your business and earn tons of rewards points while keeping your personal credit nice and high. All right, so give us a like, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next video.